Okay, hi all. My name is Kyle Wilkinson, and this is my Create Your Own Design Challenge. This assignment is for the second grade, and we will be using Pixton to create comic strips that raise people's awareness about ocean pollution, especially plastic, and more specifically, straws. Okay, so prior to starting this activity, I will show the class a short clip about ocean pollution and how plastics are especially harmful to sea life. Okay, to start, the instructor will go over Pixton and show the students the basic layout and design of Pixton. So I'll go there. And here it is. So you'll select a background, characters, focus, and words. Okay, so after the class has watched the video about plastic pollution in the ocean and has seen my Pixton comic example, and I'll show you that now. So here's my example here. Okay. Okay, so after the class has watched the video about plastic pollution in the ocean and has seen my Pixton comic example, I will let them create their own comic strip explaining the problem of plastic in the ocean, and the goal is to create comics that explain to the reader the problem of plastics in the ocean. Alright, so go back here. Okay, so the students will have requirements that they need to meet to do the activity correctly. They need to create two characters, one explaining the problem and the other learning about the problem. It must have at least 5 slides, have some sort of dialogue with facts learned from the video or from prior lectures about plastic pollution in the ocean. So we'll do a warm-up, I'll show the short video like I said, we'll explain the assignment, give them the parameters, I'll go over my example like I just did, and then for the main time, for about 45 minutes or so, we'll transition to computer and design time, and they'll work mostly on their own, but they can work with their peers if they want. They'll have 45 minutes, they can work alone with their classmates. I will reiterate the point of the assignment is to educate the reader about ocean pollution and how plastic is a real problem. So the final minutes we will have a group discussion, what they liked about Pixton, what they didn't like, and if anyone wants to share what they made. Students' projects will be printed out so other students can see our comics and learn about plastic pollution in the ocean. And then lastly, I have an assessment tool. I have my link there to my design challenge. I will give the students an assessment form and a questionnaire, and they can fill it out so I can evaluate this assignment for future use in future classes. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's what it is. It's called the Pixton comic about saving marine life. Again, it's just we're going to make comic strips so we can educate the readers about the problem of plastic pollution in the ocean and specifically straws. Uh, and that's it. So thank you. And like I said, second grade should be good to go. Thank you.